Hello, Foundations. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. My favorite part of Thanksgiving is the desserts after we eat all the turkey. And we are going to be making a piece of pie because I love pie. And you can make any flavor you want. I'm gonna make a cherry pie, but it's all going to start with the same lines to make the same shapes. All right, let's get started. So, slices of pie are basically just triangles. So we're going to draw a triangle. So on my paper, I'm gonna draw a straight line up and down in the middle of my paper. I don't wanna make it too big. And see, my paper is not this way, but this way, okay, the long way across. Then what you're going to do is turn this line into a triangle by adding 2 more lines because there are 3 sides on triangles. So I'm gonna make a slanted line going down this way and then a slanted line going up this way. So I need to get a better marker. So it's a sideways triangle. Boom, boom, just like that, kind of like a flag. If you can imagine, there's like a flagpole there. And then to make the sides of your pie, you're gonna make a straight line going down this way and a straight line going down this way. And then to make the other part of our pie, we're gonna draw a slanted line. So it's gonna be the same kind of line that we had here, and it's gonna go up this way, just like that. And that's going to make our slice of pie. To make the crust of our pie, what we can do is we can add the crust. I'm just thinking, okay, what it would look best. Okay, let's try the crust over here. So I'm gonna add a wiggly line going all the way up and then going down like that. All right, it looks like pie now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is inside my pie, I'm gonna put my cherries. And cherries are basically just circles. So I'm gonna make lots of circles inside of my pie to fill up my slice of pie with delicious cherries. But you could add apples if you wanted banana cream pie, pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, pecan pie, whatever you want. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the plate that my pie is sitting on. And plates are just big circles. So I'm going to make a curvy line around it to make the plate, just like that. And part of the pie is gonna cover that side of the plate, so you're not really gonna see it. So you just draw a curvy line from here, all the way down, up, 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 and then back around, just like that. And then you can make another line too, inside, just like that. If you wanted to put ice cream on your plate too, you could do that. So maybe there's a scoop of ice cream, and I'm just making a curvy line. And then maybe there's some whipped cream. So I'll make a little bit of a whipped cream dollop right there. And that's just basically a wavy line that goes up, then down, and then back across to make like that wavy look of whipped cream. And then what you can do is you can draw the table behind it, just making a straight line. If you wanted to make a fork, if you want to make a knife next to it, so you could do that. So I'm gonna make a long line that's kind of slanted, and that's gonna go up and around. And then this is gonna be my fork, so I'm just gonna have another line going up like this, line going up like this, and then we're gonna add all right, now I'm going to color it. All right, I colored in my pie. I gave chocolate ice cream because I want to mix up the colors a little bit, and then I left the middle of the ice cream white to make it look like whipped cream, added some sprinkles, and then I colored in my cherries, added a blue line to make the plate more fancy, I guess, and then I colored in my fork. Now, if you wanted to, you could add more stuff to your picture. If you wanted to make a picture of yourself behind the pie, ready to eat it. If you want to put a cat, a dog, maybe they're trying to get a piece of the pie, you could do that as well. If you want to draw the background, which would be the dining room or the kitchen, and what you would see there, you could totally do that. Or you could just draw the pie. Totally up to you. So, happy drawing, and I cannot wait to see what delicious desserts you draw.